Hello guys, today we want to learn about linear ODE and we have got an example. Solve x squared y prime minus 3xy equal to 3x power 5 given that y1 is equal to 4. Now the question is, how do we know that it is a linear ODE? A linear ODE should be of the form y prime plus p of xy equal to q of x. When it is in this form, then it is a linear ODE. With the time we'll learn Riccati, Bernoulli, but now let's start with the linear ODE. Now let's verify if this is truly a linear ODE. We have got x squared y prime minus 3xy equal to 3x power 5. Let's divide both sides by x squared. By x squared. By x squared. This one cancels with this, therefore we have y prime minus this x cancels with 1x down, so remaining is 3 over x y and is equal to this one cancels with this, remaining 3x over 3. Now we realize that our p of x is of the form, as you can see, it is of this form. This is of this form, therefore it is a linear ODE. Now let's identify our p. Our p is equal to negative 3 over x from the equation, and our q is equal to 3x over 3. Now next step is to find the integrating factor. Find integrating factor. How do you find integrating factor? I is equal to e raised to the integral of p dx. And we know our p is negative 3 over x. Therefore, our I will be equal to e raised to the integral of negative 3 over x dx. Now to solve it easily, let us extract that one. When we extract it, we have the integral of negative 3 over x dx. Now to make it simple, let's factor out negative 3. So we have got negative 3, the integral of 1 over x dx. And then the integral of 1 over x is simply ln absolute x. Therefore, we have negative 3 ln absolute x. And this is the same as ln absolute x raised to negative 3. Now, let us return it back to our equation. We have what I is equal to e. Since we already solved the integral of this, we found it to be ln absolute x raised to minus 3. And you know that exponential and ln simplifies. Therefore, I is equal to x raised to negative 3, which is the same as 1 over x power 3. Now, next, we need to solve y, which is equal to the integral of iq dx. Our I is 1 over x power 3. Our y is y and is equal to the integral of I, which is 1 over x power 3 times q. Remember our q was 3x power 3. 3x power 3 dx. You realize x power 3 simplifies with the x power 3. Therefore, remaining 1 over x power 3 y is simply equal to the integral of 3 dx. Integral of 3 dx. Meaning 1 over x power 3y is equal to the integral of 3 with respect to x is simply 3x. So we have 3x and we add a constant plus c. We want y to remain on the left side alone, to be the solution of the formula, meaning we multiply both sides by x power 3. This side by x power 3 and this side by x power 3. This one cancels with that, therefore y is equal to x power 3 by 3x. You add the power, so that's 2. Therefore we have 3x power 4 plus x power 3 times c is simply c x power 3. Remember, at first we were given y of 1 is equal to 4. This equation can be written as y. This equation can be written as y of 0 equal to 3x power 4 plus cx power 3. It's the same thing, meaning this 0 is x and this 4 is y. So it means where there is y, we substitute 4, and where there is x, we substitute 1. Let me run this side. Where there is y, we substitute 4. Our equation was y is equal to 3x power 4 plus cx power 3. Where this x, we substitute 4 is equal to, where there is x, now we substitute 1. So we'll have 3 times 1 power 4 plus c times 1 power 3. 1 power 4 is just 1. 1 power 3 is just still 1. Therefore 4 is equal to 3 plus c. Meaning c is equal to, when 3 comes this side, you have 3 minus 4 minus 1, therefore c is equal to 1. Therefore our final answer is y is equal to 3x power 4 plus, now since c is 1, we just substitute it with 1. Therefore we just have plus x power 3. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment.